Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the video display in the Fairlight page in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so you come up here to these tabs on top and you highlight meters. When you do that, now you should have this bar open and you can see your video display over here. So as you're working on your audio, you can be watching the video at the same time. Now you can also press this right here, this floating window icon. You can press it and you get your video display popping out. It's coming out of the tab, and then you can close this back again and you can still continue working on your audio whilst having your video display floating window popped out. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.